MotorWeek, television's original automotive magazine.
John, cars have changed. The tools we use to fix them have changed. Hand tools like wrenches and screwdrivers are being replaced by things like we have here. This is a code scanner or code reader. This particular one is from Actron, and of course there are several different makes on the market. What this does is read computer fault codes and just gives you the number. Well, you could step up to something like this. This gives you more scanning capabilities, and scanning capabilities mean that you can look at some of the signals from the various sensors. Or top of the line, like this, which will give you part of the data stream. It will give you information about the different systems on the car. Can even read ABS. Now, these things used to be in the thousands of dollars. Now, they're very affordable. All right, but when you start doing these, you're going to be looking at codes. That's the one thing everybody's interested in, and codes can get you into a lot of trouble. You see, there's a bunch of sensors under the hood and underneath the car, and there are actuators like these variable valve timing actuators here, or the cam sensor here, or the mass airflow sensor over here. All of these things have codes related to them. So you read the codes and it says something about the cam sensor. Well, that doesn't necessarily mean the cam sensor is bad. Could be the wire leading to it or any of a dozen other things. So what do? Well, you need a manual that does two things. First, it has to give you a description and the way the various sensors work so that you understand them. And it has to give you the code diagnostic tree. For each code number, there's a matching tree that walks you through these go, no-go steps to get you to the real answer. If you start replacing parts, you're going to waste money. All right, you'll also want to have some form of digital volt-ohm meter. There are thousands of them out there. Any price point that you want, just pick the features that you need and you want, and you're good to go there. Now, here's something that can save you a lot of time. It's a pretty clever piece. It's called a fuse buddy. Now, you take the fuse out of the affected circuit, you plug this in, and it tells you how much electricity is flowing through that circuit. Now, that can help you determine if you have a dead short or if you have excessive current flow through shorted windings inside a solenoid or a relay or something like that. Very inexpensive, very handy to have. And if you have a question or comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.